everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber and this is Fabricating Fringe. Today I'm sharing with you guys a hair fiber. I've shared a variety of hair fibers through the years, and I have shared this brand before as well. So you guys may recall or remember me sharing a few videos on thick fiber. Thick fiber is a fantastic hair fiber brand. If you're not aware of what hair fibers are, they are hair building fibers to help your hair and scalp look thicker and fuller. These are keratin hair building fibers. They bond to your hair strands and they make it look like you have a thicker, fuller head of hair. I love thick fiber because it's anti-itch, it has no wool, and it's wind and sweat resistant. Thick fiber has this new and improved applicator, which I really love. I've tried a variety of applicators, and trying this one out, I think this may be my favorite one. I've put it together already. You have the applicator and the tip that you apply after you remove the sprinkle top. I'm not exactly sure what it's called, but you remove this and then you can place the applicator on top of the bottle. This is really nice for just kind of sprinkling over your sparse areas. The applicator is nice for very precise areas, maybe along the hairline, if you just want a small amount. Both ways of application can help you achieve the looks that you desire. Definitely go check out Thick Fiber on their website. They have a wide range of videos and how-tos to show you guys the before and afters and really give you an idea of the transformations that easily happen using these hair fibers. Hair fibers are fantastic for hiding bald spots, thinning areas, sparse, thin hair, and just creating a naturally thicker, fuller appearance. The nice thing about the Thick Fiber brand is these fibers don't have like a chalky matte finish. So a lot of the time when you put on different hair fibers, you can really see it down in your scalp, and it looks just chalky looking, which this does not do. It blends very well. And another thing that's really awesome about these fibers is they don't cling to your skin. It's not messy. So if you put your fingers through your hair, you touch the hair fibers, you blend it in, it's not going to stick to your hands and get all over the place. To achieve your desired color, they have a wide range of colors available, but you can mix and match colors to achieve the color that best matches your biological hair. You'll want to use thick fiber on dry, clean hair for best results. And then to remove your thick fiber hair fibers, it comes out with shampoo. Another tip that's fantastic is once you have your fibers in place, you can use a little bit of hairspray, and that will just create a stronger hold and bond. Okay, so in the past, I've worn my hair down with these fibers. My hair is super thin and sparse, but I thought I'd show you guys the difference of what it can make once I have my hair up. So as you can see, my hair is up in this clip, and there are bald, thin areas everywhere. Like everywhere. I hope I can see those thin areas and cover them up to show you on screen. Sometimes that can be a little bit difficult to see what I'm doing as I'm filming, but I'll do my best to show you guys the difference that these awesome thick fiber hair fibers can make in your hair. Now, one thing that you want to do before you apply your thick fiber is just style your hair as desired. So with me, I'm going to wear my hair up, and because my hair is pretty thin, I'm going to back comb it just a little bit, and then I'll apply the fibers where I have those thin spots. The one in this bottle is a dark brown, and I believe my hair is more of a medium brown at this point, so I'm going to go ahead and apply the fibers using this applicator, and then if I need to, I'll change it up and use this sprinkle applicator as needed. One thing I do want to point out is when you do go to put these fibers on, make sure you tip your bottle at like a 45-degree angle and give it a good shake, and that will loosen up those fibers so they can fall out whether you're tapping or spraying out with the applicator. This applicator definitely gives you more control. Love that. It comes out really well. Wow, that does such a good job. You can immediately see how it's so much fuller. Just pull that apart right here and show you guys how quickly that can fill in and cover your scalp. See that? It immediately has such a more fuller, thicker appearance. Like I mentioned, spray with some hairspray to further create a stronger hold and bond. Okay, now I'm going to work on the back and see what I can do to fill in the sparse areas on the side and back of my head. Okay, I think I filled in the sparse areas. I'm going to give my hair some hairspray, fluff it up, and make sure those fibers have a nice, strong hold. I don't think anybody would think that this, wasn't my real hair. I think it looks nice and full and thick. There's no sparse areas showing. Let me do a full turnaround to show you guys the difference that these thick fiber hair building fibers made. I never really wear my own biological hair out because it is so thin, but using hair building fibers like these ones, it gives you that ability to wear your own hair and wear it with confidence. You guys definitely check out Thick Fiber on their social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, you name it. They have a YouTube as well, so I will have those links down below. Check out Thick Fiber on Amazon. I'll have that link down below. I often like to wear these thick fiber hair fibers when I wear my alternative hair, such as wigs and toppers, because I fill in my front hairline, any sparse areas that show with those hair pieces. So even if you do wear alternative hair like I do, I still utilize these hair fibers to help blend pieces in with my bio hair. These fibers are fantastic for men and women, and they're fantastic for people with beginning stages of hair loss to even excessive stages of hair loss. This can fill in those sparse areas and give you more confidence. All right, you guys, let me know what you think about the difference that these thick fiber hair fibers made on this hair up style that I have on my hair. Do you feel like it looks thicker and fuller? I think it does. I think it looks nice and thick. It doesn't get all over my hands. It's nice and clean. It's not messy. That's a plus for me. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to comment below or reach out to Thick Fiber. They can help you with any of your concerns or questions regarding their product. And definitely check out their Amazon store. That link will be down below again. And until next time, you guys, I'll see you later. Bye.